Hi, many Cucurella users use our application Dialogues.ai to create dialogues with AI voices. These dialogues help them to create lessons for students or employees with where few AI voices, or we call them actors, discuss certain topic. It could be used for language lessons, for trainings, and dialogues could be on any topic. What we noticed that before our users create dialogues, they usually search for samples of dialogues. They enter search like dialogue examples for students in English, or just example of dialogue conversation, or example of dialogue between two characters, between two friends, and so on. So what we decided to do is to add a tool that will allow creating dialogues on any topic right inside Cucurella. All you need to do is open Dialogues.ai, go to Assistant. Instead of creating an empty project, click on Use Assistant. Here you can enter your request. What type of dialogue do you want to create? It could be conversation for education, for business. You can see we organized prompts by categories. It could be for training and learning, coaching, for legal professionals. If we go with training and e-learning, let's review suggestions, prompt suggestions. As I can see, it's mostly focused on business use. So let's check general. We'll check educators later. Let's check general. Yep. Compose a dialogue between a teacher and a student about. Write a debate between proponents and opponents of controversial topic. Compose a courtroom dialogue between the defense attorney and prosecutor regarding. That could be good for law students. Imagine a conversation between historical figure and another figure about event. Create a dialogue where characters from book or movie discuss certain topic. There is a lot to choose from, and definitely you can enter your own prompt. If it's very niche, very specific, you can do that. But let's go with a simple one. I just want to show you how it works. Write a discussion between three experts about the future of education or online education. Let's be more specific. Now let's click next. What is happening now? Our AI creates dialogue. It is following your prompt. Dialogue between three persons. Once it's created and structured, our system will assign voices to each line, to each character. So if you read text and satisfied with what you see, you can click play and AI voices will read this dialogue. So you can just quickly check a few lines to see if it's what you were looking for. As we dive into the future of online education, I can't help but marvel at how far we've come. The landscape has shifted dramatically in recent years, wouldn't you agree? Absolutely. And so on. We designed the system so that it creates very detailed, but at the same time, realistic dialogue. It's not that that those dialogues where they agree on everything and there is no conflict, no drama. We try to add some drama to make it more engaging and entertaining. So they're different opinions which collide, and probably that will make this conversation um, more interesting to listen to. Anyway, let's click play, and in a minute or so you will get an audio version of this dialogue. Once it is done, you can listen and decide if you like these voices or maybe you want to replace them. If you want to change any specific any voice, like let's say you want to change Fable voice, go to Fable, go to voices, choose accent, language and accent, could be US, and choose the voice which you want to use. And once you select that voice, it will be applied to Fable, and the system will regenerate voiceover with that new voice. Okay, now let's play a few lines.
As we dive into the future of online education, I can't help but marvel at how far we've come. The landscape has shifted dramatically in recent years. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. The acceleration we've seen, particularly since the global pandemic, has been nothing short of revolutionary. But I'm curious about your thoughts on the long-term implications. Do you think this shift is sustainable?
If I may chime in, I believe sustainability isn't just possible, it's inevitable. The question isn't whether online education will persist, but how it will evolve to meet changing needs and expectations. That's an excellent point.
Okay, so as you see, it's discussion, it's structured, well organized. If you want to change anything, add anything, you can do that by just adding your lines. And once you're totally fully satisfied with it, you can download it as one file or by paragraphs. By paragraphs means that each line will be downloaded as a separate file. It could be useful if you're planning to put each file on a timeline and create a video. But if it's just for listening, maybe one file should be sufficient. That's it. I hope this helps, and I hope now you have an instrument which allows you to create dialogues quickly, easily, and you can make your courses, lessons more engaging and entertaining. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.